Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation, turning this ordinary laptop charger and a spark plug into a surprisingly powerful portable welding tools. First, I'm starting with an old laptop charger. I'll carefully disassemble the DC output connector. I'm taking a red electrical wire. I'll carefully strip a small part of the insulation from one end. This exposed copper will be one of our primary electrical connection points. I'll twist one end of the red wire together with one of the stripped wires from the laptop charger, ensuring a tight connection for optimal conductivity. After that, I'll securely wrap the connection with electrical tape. This is super important for insulation and safety, preventing any accidental short circuits or shocks during use. Now, I'll repeat the process with a white wire. This will be our second connection. I'll twist it to the remaining stripped wire from the charger. Once the connection is solid, I'll insulate it carefully with electrical tape. We want to make sure all exposed wires are completely covered for maximum safety. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Moving on to our next component, a common spark plug. I took a brass plug and attached it to the end of the spark plug. This is the heating element of my homemade welder. Next, I'm crafting the core of our new versatile tool, a heated tip. I'm taking a standard AA battery and carefully peeling off its outer plastic casing using a utility knife. The goal here is to extract the carbon rod from the center. After completely removing the shell, I will use a box cutter to cleanly remove the plastic layer on the battery. Then, I carefully remove the metal positive terminal cap from the top of the battery. I carefully used pliers to remove the carbon rod. Then, I give it a thorough wipe with a clean tissue to remove any residue and ensure it's completely clean and ready. A clean tip is crucial for effective soldering. To make our carbon rod tip precise and effective, I'm securing it into a drill chuck. Then, using sandpaper pressed against the spinning tip, I'm refining it. This creates a fine point, which will allow for extremely concentrated heat. Once I'm happy with the sharpness, I'll remove the carbon rod and insert its unsharpened end securely into the spark plug connector that we previously prepared. I'll secure it tightly with the screwdriver. This is where the heat will be generated, so a firm connection is essential for safety and performance. Now for the electrical connections. I'll use the red wires from our modified laptop charger. One red wire will connect to the brass nut on the carbon rod, securing it tightly. This setup creates the circuit for our heating element. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Then, I'll meticulously wrap this connection with electrical tape for proper insulation and safety. This ensures the current flows correctly and prevents accidental shocks. To make our tool easy to use, I'm attaching crocodile clips. I'll connect a blue clip to the remaining white wire from the charger. This setup allows me to easily connect the tool to various objects for heating. Remember, safety first. Always double-check your connections. To complete the circuit for the welder, I attached the DC connector back to the charger. I added a pink alligator clip that attaches to the spark plug. This will be the handle for the welder. Once all the connections are made, I'll carefully plug the laptop charger into an outlet strip. This will provide the necessary power for our tool. Now for the moment of truth with our first tool, the modified spark plug. Watch as I touch the carbon rod to the alligator clip. See how it heats up instantly? This shows the concentrated heat we generate, perfect for soldering tasks. Let's try melting some metal. I'm taking this small metal cup with a mesh base. I'm taking this circular metal mesh and connecting it to our circuit. When I touch the heated tip to it, watch closely. See how it glows and quickly melts through the metal? It's incredible how much power we can harness from these simple components. This device can be used for a lot of DIY tasks like soldering. Now for another heating application, a hot wire cutter. I'm taking two thin blue wires, stripping them, and twisting them together. By connecting our main power leads to this thin wire, it quickly heats up, becoming a precise hot wire tool. This could be great for cutting foam or other delicate materials. You can see the wire glowing red and melting the insulation, showing it could easily be adapted for small soldering jobs or precision heat application. Finally, let's explore another powerful heating capability. I've got a metal bolt and a bearing here. I'll set them up on the wooden base and connect our alligator clips from the charger to them. Notice how quickly the bearing heats up to a glowing orange. This shows how this simple setup can provide concentrated heat for various repairs, metalworking, or creative projects. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity and repurposed materials, you can achieve amazing things. If you enjoyed these projects and found them inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.